The figure below not drawn to scale is formed by 4 identical right-angled isosceles triangles and a square in the center. The shaded area of the figure is 200. Find the perimeter of the square. So shaded area is made up of the 4 identical triangles, which is 200. Therefore, using this, I can now find the area of one triangle first. All right, so I'm simply taking 200 divided by 4. Okay, because there are 4 triangles. So every triangle has an area of 50 square centimeters now. Okay, and this triangle, I do not have the dimensions for the height, neither do I have for the base. However, I do know that the height and the base have to be the same. How do I know that? It's from here. Okay, so it's a right-angled isosceles triangle. The right angle is here. All right, so since I do not have the height nor the base dimensions, what I can do is I can try to form another triangle right next to it. All right, and you will see what shape it forms. All right, so you see these 2 triangles will be the same. They will be similar. Therefore, this whole thing will be a square. All right, which means I can find the area of this square. Once I found the area of the square, I will be able to find one side of this square then. Okay, this longer side. Not the small square here, but this one. So let's go on to find the area of that big square formed by these 2 triangles. So area of 2 triangles, simply 50 times 2. So now I know that the area of this square is 100. We can now find one side of this square, which is also known as the height or the base of one triangle. So just square root 100 to get 10 cm. Okay, so as we all know, when we are given the area of a square, you can square root it to find one side of the square. Okay, so this side is 10 cm. Now we're slowly working our way towards the middle square here, all right? So since I know this whole stretch is 10 and this stretch is 3, I can now find the stretch inside the smaller square here. Okay, so the one highlighted in yellow here, the side of the center square, simply 10 minus 3. So that will be a length of 7 cm. So that means every side in here is 7 cm because it's a square. So find the perimeter. Perimeter simply just 4 sides add up together. 7 times 4, and there you go. That's the perimeter.